So I want to go with hierarchy variable with authorization as a processing type. Next concept. But what I'm trying to do is I'm not going with a very exhaustive example where I create 2 users also. I'll just create 1 user having 1 node, then that should help you out. Okay. Same thing, you can simulate multiple roles for multiple users. Okay. So how do I do this? First get to the backend, change your customer key, and should I enable this as authorization relevant bus? Okay. Then what happens? Sorry. By enabling this as authorization relevant, you enable it saying that based on the values of this, I can provide authorizations to the users. Activate. Now next is what? Do you create an authorization object? Yes. So where do you create authorization object first? RSec admin. I'll say individual maintenance. So can I copy? Does not exist. Syllabus, cast hierarchy, then I say what? Create, give us a description, add. First is 0 TCT provider. Okay. What is my provider name? The reporting is done on AWC sales. Then 0 TC validity. It's a between so it is this object is valid from this range. Okay. That's a validity. Then specify activity also. No changing, only displaying. 16, which is for executing. Now I'll use that customer key. After I control it on cube activity, all this, then I would go with here. This is normal single values. If you want to provide authorizations on values of customer, you go into this value. But if you want to go with hierarchy nodes, then you get into this tab here. Okay. So create. Which hierarchy I want? What is this? Customer type hierarchy and the nodes. I don't want customer node. I want manual where I'll have states. So I want one user to having access to only what? Karnataka only. So Karnataka node, type of authorization. Only select nodes, sub node levels, subtree below nodes to level, complete hierarchy. Subtree below nodes. Subtree below nodes to and level related. Okay. hierarchy level is 1, validity period, name and version identical, name identical, is all are done. First. Said this node is got access to, okay, save in. So my authorization object is ready, activate. Now I'll have to assign this to an role. What is it? Role maintenance. I think I already have some roles. Z role. Is this? I'll use this same I user. Remember I user. Authorization object. Analysis authorizations. Previously we had one. Now I'm giving one more now. Okay, this is another analysis authorization object which is restricting from the node. So let me remove this sales channel also. Say generate. Done. Now for user comparison, just say, you remember there is already one user who is assigned to this role. So user is reflected the changes already. As user assignment I don't need because that role is already assigned to one user, I user. Yeah. And let me go to the Bex here and create the variable with what? With authorization as a processing type. Z HN security something. From authorizations. What is the processing type now? Authorizations, customer key, details, single value is all fine. So now let the other user run in. Yeah. I user. RSRT. Let him run this query. Okay, boss. Don't worry about this. Look at this. Does this? It says customer key. What does it says? Means it is working out. If I just click on this variable screen, what is variable taken? K. Why? Because he's authorized for K. Something about some issue on the authorization of the running query, but does your variable taken as K because I have assigned this user with K. Like this, we can have hierarchy node also based on authorizations also. Clear? It is all same. Only thing is while creating authorizations, what did I do? When I was creating analysis authorizations in RSec admin, when I, for this customer, instead of specifying, if it is single value, like say if I wanted to say, I want to create characteristic value variable with authorization, like normal single values of customer number, then I would go with what? Normal values. But here I wanted to restrict on hierarchy levels, then I will go what? Hierarchy authorizations. Emma? Customer undi, customer informed values like 100, C100, C200 and go. Danlo meedi ivalante values. లేదు కస్టమర్ ఉన్న హైరార్కీ నోట్స్ మీద ఇవ్వాలంటే హైరార్కీ ఆథరైజేషన్స్ అన్నట్టు. క్లియర్? ఓకే.